Hello guys, this is Cardi Gang, my first YouTube channel, and today we're doing a car meet at the pier because some people in Sandy Shores Airport, well the airfield I meant, some people were messing up, so we decided to go to the pier in Los Santos. So yeah, we're waiting for people to come over, and yeah. Oh, I got the cops on me. How did, it wasn't even an explosion. I always do that. What the heck? Right? I am parachuting. Okay, now I'm here. We're waiting for some people to come over. Okay, there's two people here. I'm gonna hang up on that phone call. Shoot, I gotta hide. Oh, her. Okay. So guys, do you guys like my outfit? I think my outfit is pretty cool. I like it. Oh, that car's not so bad on the left. I forget what is that car called? Okay, I'm gonna have to hide. Hold on real quick. Alright. Okay, I escaped. Let's go. No, I'm not trying to break in the car. Get out. Alright. Okay, let me order my car. I'm gonna be ordering my Lamborghini. I said Lamborghini. I meant Lambo. I also have a Ferrari. My Lambo costs like 1.3 million, and I bought the Ferrari for like I bought it for 1.2 million. Yeah. Okay, my car is here. Let me get it. That girl, why does she have her outfit like that out here? It's raining. I actually put on some clothes, man. Alright, let me get my car. This is my Lambo. I'm thinking about buying the Lamborghini truck because it's actually nice. And I keep on saying I'm gonna buy it, but then I keep on buying like other cars and all that. It's just there's a lot of nice cars, and I always save up and get it. But I have like 3,000 on me because I've been spending it like on ammo because you always need ammo, you know. And now I'm kind of low. Yeah. I can make like really like maybe like 3 million a day. I just don't try because I don't feel like doing all that work and stuff, you know. And then I want to actually have some fun, you know, without doing all that work. But you gotta do what you gotta do to get money. That's me. Excuse me. Alright. This lady though. She looks kinda cool. Yo. She's wearing that outfit again. What is she trying to do? Let me see. Wait up. Wait up. Alright, what are you doing? Are you gonna jump into... Oh wow, she's jumping into the ocean. Okay. Wait, I think I want to switch clothes. I think I want to switch clothes. Yeah, let me switch into my robe. Where is it at? Let me find it. Where's it at? Okay, I found it. Ow, that hurt. Okay, let's take this vehicle. You ran over. What the heck? No, 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 no. No, no, I gotta get out of it. No, come back with my vehicle. No, I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna kill you. Don't ever. That's what you get. Don't ever take a man's vehicle. Alright? Get out the way. Get out the way. Oh, you're trying to kick me now? Get ran over. Get ran over. Okay, I'm coming. I'm gonna go back again over there. I'm gonna run over some more people. Oh, get ran over. But I gotta run over another. Oh, wait. I think I missed him. I got him? He fell on the ground. Oh, no. No, no, no. No. How did he not? Ow. Don't kill me. Don't kill me. Don't kill me. I'm gonna pull out my grenade and come back. Wait. Okay, what's up? What's up? What's up, guys? What you guys trying to do? You're coming down. I killed them. I killed them too. Get wrecked. I'm gonna go back over there and kill some more people. I'm gonna go back and kill them. I see them. Wait, did they take my vehicle? They took my vehicle. No, 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 no. Oh, this is perfect time to kill them all. It's so perfect. Wait. Alright. Oh, you're hitting me now? Alright, I see how it is. I see. You wanna get exploded? You wanna get exploded? I killed both of them. I killed both of them. Alright. Coming back. I'm coming back. Oh, where's that one vehicle at? I need to find it. Oh, it's over there. Oh, there's one right here. Okay, I'm gonna take this vehicle. I know these. I forgot what they're called. Oh, he killed me. No. He killed me. Oh, wow. Okay. Okay. Oh, why does the car flip over? The car is flipped over. Alright. Okay. He's gonna, wait. Don't kill me, don't kill me. Oh, okay. He killed me again. I only killed them one time. Okay, I see. I should have pulled out my gun. I didn't have much time. Dang it. Get on this. Let me get on that. I'm coming back. Almost run me over. Wait. What did they do to my car? Oh, you're trying to shoot at me? Alright. I see how it is. Is that the same guy trying to kill me? Okay, let me get this vehicle. Alright, that's gonna be today's video. I hope you guys like and subscribe, and goodbye.